Assalamualaikum. My name is Bint-e-Atif. Welcome to Smart Commerce classes. Today we are doing Maths O-Level past paper, Summary 23, question paper 21. So first question is, a cuboid has dimension x centimeter, 5 minus x centimeter, and 15 centimeter. Show that the equation for the volume of the cuboid by centimeter cube is y equal to 75x minus 15x squared. We have a cuboid that has dimension x centimeter, 5 minus x, and 15 centimeter. And we have volume of y centimeter. So by using these dimensions, we have to derive this equation. So the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So length is x, breadth is 5 minus x, and height is 15. And the volume is y. So y equals to x into 15, that is 15x, 5 minus x. So 15x will be multiplied by 5 and will be multiplied by x. So the answer will be y equals to 15x into 5, that is 75x. 15x into x, that is 15x squared. So we got the equation. Complete the table of the values for y equal to 75x minus 15x squared. By using these value of x, we'll get the values of y. So we'll put the value of x 2.5 in this equation and we'll get value of y 75 multiplied by 2.5 minus 15 into 2.5 squared. So we'll get the value of y 93.75. C part is, draw the graph of y equal to 75x minus 15x squared. So for value of x equals to 1, we have y equals to 60. For 1.5, we have 78.75. For value of 2, we have 90. For value of 2.5, we have 93.75. X equals to 3. So y equals to 90. For 3.5, we have 78.25. And for 4, we have 60. So we'll make a smooth curve. So join the points. And form a parabola. Okay. For D part, we have the diagram shows the pyramid with a square base of side length 9 centimeter. The pyramid has height of x centimeter and volume y centimeter. We have square base with side length of 9 centimeter, height of x centimeter and volume of y centimeter. And by using these length and height, so we have to derive this equation. So we have volume of pyramid 1/3 base area into height. This is a square base. So base area will be 9 into 9 and height is x and the volume is y. So 9 into 9, that is 81x divided by 3. So y equals to 27x. This is the answer. By drawing a suitable straight line on the grid on page 2, find the height of the pyramid when the pyramid and the cuboid have the same volume. On page 2, there's a grid. We have to make a straight line and find the height of the volume, height of the pyramid when the pyramid and the cuboid have the same volume. Question 2A part. Philomena starts work at 10:45 a.m. on Monday. She finishes work 2 hours 50 minutes later. Find the time she finishes work on Monday. She starts at 10:45. So after 15 minutes, it will be 11 o'clock. After 1 hour, it will be 12 o'clock. After 1 hour, as we need 2 hours and 50 minutes, so after 1 hour, it will be 1 o'clock, and we need 2 hours and 50 minutes. Till now, till 1 o'clock, 2 hours and 50 minutes have passed. So we need an extra 35 minutes, as 50 minus 15 equals to 35 minutes. So we need extra 35 minutes to come as she finishes the work after 2 hours and 50 minutes. So 1:35. At 1:35 p.m., she finishes the work. Okay. B part is Xavier works for 5 days each week. He works for 4.5 hours on each of the 5 days. Each week, he earns 261. As he works for 5 days and he works for 4.5 hours per day, and he earns an hourly rate, that is X, and he gets 261 pay. So 5 into 4.5 is 22.5. X equals to 261. So X into 22.5 is being multiplied. So when it will go in opposite direction, so it will be divided, and the answer will be 11.6 dollars. One day, the length of time Xavier works decreases by 20%. Calculate the length of time he works that day. Give your answer in hours and minutes. As his work decreases by 20%, now he's working for 80% hours. He worked for 4.5 hours. Now he works for 80% of these hours. So that is 3.6 hours. But we need an answer in hours and minutes. So you need to know that the figure before the point depicts the hours, and figure after the point depicts the minutes, as there are 0.6 hours, and in 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. So 0.6 into 60 equals to 36 minutes. So we have 3 hours and 36 minutes. C part is, in 2021, Megul's income was 32,000. In 2022, his income increased to 33,408. Calculate the percentage increase in his income from 2021 to 2022. So, in 2021, his income was 32,000. That is the old income. And in 2022, his income increased to 33,408. That is the new income. So we need to calculate the percentage increase. That is calculated by new income minus old income divided by old income multiplied by 100. So new income is 33,408 minus old income, that is 32,000, divided by 32,000 multiplied by 100. So our answer is 4.4%. Megul invests X dollars in an account, paying simple interest at a rate of 1.2% per year. At the end of 3 years, he has 890.96 in his account. Calculate the value of X. As we don't know the principal amount, and we know the amount that he got after 3 years. This is the amount which contains the principal amount and the interest. So, principal amount is X and interest is calculated by P into R into T formula. So this is the principal amount. Principal is X plus principal is X multiplied by R, that is 1.2%, multiplied by time, that is 3 years. So our answer will be X plus 0.036X. So that will be, and the total amount is 890.96. So we have 1.036x equals to 890.96. So our answer is 890.96 divided by 1.036, x equals to 860. That means this is the principal amount. 860 was invested in an account paying a simple interest at 1.2%. He got the interest of 30.96. This is the principal amount. 30.96 was the interest, and total amount which he got after 3 years, that was 890.96. Moving towards question 3A part. PQ is parallel to RS, ABCD is straight line, BE is equal to CE, and ABE angle is 110. So we know that this is the straight line angle, and straight line angle is 180. So 180 minus 110, CBE is a straight line angle, and 180 equals to 110 plus CBE. CBE is 70 degree. This is 70 degree. So BCE is also 70 degree because of isosceles triangles. We have to calculate ECQ. ECQ. We have to calculate this angle. Then we have, this is 70. As we know that this is 110, this angle is 110. So this angle will also be 110 because of corresponding angles. As we know that QCB is also 110 because of corresponding angles. So that means QCB equals to QCE plus ECB. ECB is 70 degree, QCE is X, we have to calculate, and QCB is 110. So X will be 110 minus 70, that is 40. That means ECQ is 40 degrees. Then we have U, V, W, X, and Y are points on the circumference of a circle. Center O, UY is a diameter of the circle, and ZX is a tangent to the circle at X. VUX is 35 degree, XZY is equals to A degree, and VWY is B degree. Find an expression for B in terms of A. Give your answer in the simplest form. As we know that this is the tangent, XZ is a tangent, and this is the radius. So any point, any line that touches from the center of the curve, from the center of the circle to the tangent, that makes the 90 degree. We know that this is 90 degree, this is A. So this will be 90 minus A. This triangle is an isosceles triangle because we have, this is the radius and this is the radius. So So we have 180 minus 90 minus A. So we have 90 plus A. This angle is 90 plus A. So this angle will be 180 minus, as this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is C. For example, this is C and this is C. So 180 equals to 90 plus A plus C plus C. So 180 minus 90 minus A equals to 2C. So we have 90 minus A equals to 2C. So this C is equals to 90 minus A divided by 2. So we are required to find the expression for B. So we have, as this is the quadrilateral. This is the quadrilateral. Same. So B, as we know that in this quadrilateral, B and the opposite angle will be equal to 180. So 35 plus C equals to 180. So B plus 35 plus C is 90 minus A divided by 2 equals to 180. So B will be equal to 70 plus 90 minus A divided by 2 equals to 180. So B plus 160 minus A divided by 2 equals to 180. B will be equal to 180 minus 160 minus A divided by 2. So this will be 360 minus 160 plus A divided by 2. So that will be 200 plus A divided by 2. B equals to 200 plus A divided by 2. This is the answer. Question 4 is, the cumulative frequency diagram shows the amount of fuel, F liters, bought by 100 customers at a service station one day. So A part is use the diagram to estimate the median. In this cumulative frequency, we have median is calculated by, as we have 100 customers, so the median is the middle value. So at 50, 100 multiplied by 50% is 50. So that means at cumulative frequency at 50, we'll calculate the fuel liters. That is 28 liters. The interquartile range is calculated by 100 into 75%. We'll calculate the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So the upper quartile will be 100 into 75%. That will be 75. So at 75, the value is 42. And up, this is the upper quartile. And lower quartile is 25. 100 into 25%. That is 25. At 25, we have the value of 24. So 42 minus 24 is 60, is 80. So our answer is 80. This is upper quartile is 42, upper quartile, and lower quartile is 100 into 25, that is 60. At 25th value, we got 16, and at 75th value, we got 42. So 1.75. So that day, the price of a liter of fuel at the service station was 1.75. Use the diagram to estimate the fraction of customers who spent more than 91 on the fuel. as 1 liter of fuel is 1.75. So he spent 91. 91 divided by 1.75 equals to, so answer is 52. So we'll look at the graph at 52 liters. How many customers bought 52 liters or more? So the answer will be, the answer is 88. So that means the customers who bought 52 and more are customers that are 100 minus 88. That means 12 customers have bought the fuel more than 91. So we'll have to find the fraction. So that will be 12. So that is 12 divided by 100. Then we have 12 divided by 100 means that we'll deduct the fraction to make 6 over 50 and 3 over 25. So the answer is 3 by 25 or 12 over 100. That is your choice. Then we have C part. Complete the frequency table for the amount of fuel bought by these 100 customers. So at 10 to 20, we have 14. 20 to 30, we have 38. 30 to 40, we have 20. 40 to 50, we have 40 to 50. We have, at 50, we have 28. And at 40, we'll calculate and we'll get the difference of 14. At 50 to 60, we have 8. And from 60 to 70, we have 4. And at 70 to 80, we have 2.